Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at age verification on Roblox. Age verification on Roblox mobile. We're going to check if it's possible. So let's start. After opening up your Roblox on the home menu, the next thing you're going to do at the bottom is tap on more. And then from more, tap on settings. And then from settings, tap on account information. We want to see if it's possible to do age verification from our mobile phone on Roblox. Next, it goes down and you see verify my age, this option. Tap on it. Then verify your age to get the most out of Roblox. Prepare a valid ID. So please note you're about to start the ID verification process with Roblox third-party service provider. The information collected through this process will be used for the purposes of securing your account or enabling Roblox features. For more information, you can visit Roblox biometric privacy notice. So you have to prepare a valid ID, that is driver's license, passport, ID card, or residence permit. Once you're ready, tap on start session. Now before you start, make sure again you have a valid government issued ID ready. Make sure you're in a well-lit room and be prepared to take a selfie and photo of your ID. By clicking the button below, you consent to Persona, the vendor of Roblox, collecting, using and utilizing their service providers to process your biometric information needed to verify your identity, to identify fraud and improve personal platform in accordance with the privacy policy and Roblox biometric privacy notice. Your biometric information will be stored for no more than 30 days. If you agree, tap on begin verifying. Now they'll ask you the country your government ID is from. So choose the country, then tap on select. They'll ask you to give a photo of a government ID to verify identity. Choose the options. Is it the driver's license, national ID, passport, or voter's ID? Let's say I'm using a voter's ID for example. Next, you'll be asked to take a clear photo of the front of your government issued ID. Tap on camera, take a picture of the front, then you'll be asked to take a picture of the back. Just keep following the prompt until you get to the end of the verification process. That's all it takes. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.